What will be the best programming language to learn? Well, at the end of this video, it will be possible for you to decide the answer to this question. So before we continue to tell you what will be the best programming language to learn, I go first give you my own interpretation of what programming language really be. But before we continue, I would like to tell you, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now, because your subscription are waiting they give me ginger and motivation to make videos like this. Now, in my own definition, programming language just be like human language. English, Bangladesh, Hindi, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, and a lot of other human languages like that. Now, make we come go a little further. Make we ask that question again, say, what will be the best human language to learn? If you ask a British, what will be the best human language to learn? This person go tell you, say, nah, English language. Why? Because the life of this person, the culture, the education, the health, and the economics of this person don't revolve around English language. Similarly, if you ask a Frenchman, what will be the best human language to learn? This person go tell you, say, nah, French. Why? Because of the same reasons. Now, make we come back to computer language. Computer language just be exactly like human language. Say, to talk to computer, we need to understand the language of computer. And we can't get a lot of computer languages, just like human languages, where they make life day easy for people. Without language, human being no fit just do some amazing things like communications, creating development, innovations, research. So language dey very important in the things where we dey do. Now the same concept wey dey there for inside computer language be that also. So to talk to computer, we need to understand computer language. And we can get series of computer languages. We get Java, JavaScript, Python, Haskell, and a lot of other computer languages like that. Now, this is where the gist is. Just as it be say, if you ask a British, what will be the best human language to learn? Say the person could tell you, say, na English. If you ask a Frenchman, what will be the best human language to learn? The person self go tell you, say, na French. But you know me say, if you be a British person, you know if you do exactly what a French-speaking person self they do. If you become a medical doctor, a lawyer, a programmer, an engineer, irrespective of the language where you dey speak, now exactly the same concept dey for inside programming language and computer understanding be that. Now, it depends on wetin you wan do. Just as e be say, people don take English language as the generally acceptable language wey many people dey speak. Na so e be for inside computer sef. Say, whatever thing you wan do, the industry get their own preferred language wey dem dey use dey do things. Say for example now, your own career path na web development you wan choose. You know me say, if you choose Python to take do your own web development, you no go fit do exactly wetin the same person wey dey use JavaScript dey do im own web development dey do. But plenty people for the industry dey rely on JavaScript and PHP to do web development. If na mobile app development you wan do, many organizations go require you to learn Flutter, Dart, Android, Kotlin, Xamarin, and other programming languages like that. If na software engineering you wan do, you go see the industry go dey require you to learn and understand C++, C#, Java, and other programming languages like that wey dem dey use dey do algorithm and scripting. Now, algorithm and scripting na another different concept entirely wey you fit use all of the programming languages to do. But for inside this video, no be wetin be our concern be that. Our concern na be say, which one be the best programming language to learn? So, to answer that question, wetin be the best programming language to learn? You go first ask yourself some realistic questions. Say, wetin be my own career path? Wetin be the career path wey I wan follow for inside programming or for inside tech? If na web development you wan do, even though say you fit do anything with any programming language, the industry wey you wan work for go require you to have a understanding of JavaScript and PHP, including the .NET technologies. So that one mean say, your own career path na im go determine the type of programming language wey you wan learn. I hope say you don understand wetin be the best programming language to choose based on your own different career path and interest. So if your own career path na web development, then I dey use that opportunity to welcome you to the introductory series of my JavaScript tutorial. Thank you so much for your time. Na so e go be for inside this video. I go see you for the next session where we go come begin to dey discuss JavaScript proper.